What is up with y'all? It is Darian2reacts back again with another reaction video. We're going to be reacting to Ishowspeed sets off fireworks in his bedroom. Bruh. He did this yesterday on July 4th, and this was crazy. So I'm finna react to this. So let's get it.
That's actually crazy. Alright, let's go!
Oh God. Oh God.
I got a lot of fireworks right now. First one off.
Oh no, he got the Pikachu kind.
It's like the Pikachu one, y'all. So I don't think it's gonna be that loud, personally.
What made him want to do this though? Like, I'm still thinking, what made you want to do this?
This is a sick Negro. It's gonna be that loud, y'all. Damn,
He said it's not going to be that loud.
Oh, here we go, right here. Alright. Pikachu!
No. No. Oh no. What was he thinking? He said, Mom. The whole chat is dead, bruh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness! No! Oh my God, it's a fire! No, it's not.
Yo, you can hear her mom. Bro, you can hear his mom. His mom is like very upset.
Yes, it is! It's not! What the fuck is you doing? I didn't know! Stop. Turn that stream off!
She tired of this.
The popping ones, Mom! Oh my fucking God.
Oh my goodness, bro. This man finna go viral even on fireworks, bro. This man is speeding up, getting a lot of subscribers, though. Like, this man really killing it. My goodness, bro. Bro, this is not what I'm gonna be doing, bro. Hell no. This is not me. This is crazy. Like, I got common sense not to throw fireworks in my own bedroom, in my own house. Like, you tripping if you think I'm gonna do this. Like, this video, bro. Oh my gosh, it's already getting a whole bunch of people looking at it, bro. Like, this man going crazy, though. He getting a lot. The whole room is smoking, bro. But hey, though, his channel finna blow up after this video, though. Like, this man really getting a lot of subscribers. This man got 9.2 million subscribers, bro. This man really speeding up. He really going up fast, bro. This man is... this man entertainment, bro. This man being entertaining, bro. Like, this man really kicking up all subscribers, bro. He's going up so fast. They got the fighter in here, bro. Oh my gosh. Damn.
Like, it just started going, look, it's like black stuff in the air right now.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy, y'all. Like I said, this is insane. This man blowing up for real, for real. This video is definitely going viral. Like, bruh, he know exactly what he's doing, bruh. Like, oh my gosh, bro. He know exactly what he's doing. This is an insane video, though. Like, I can't believe it, bro. This cannot be me, bruh. I ain't never doing what he just did. Anyway, y'all, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you guys go hit that like button, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Peace out.